ahead and show you. So this right here, I'm gonna start off with the best upgrade that I think I can get for it. And I want to thank people out there at Kayak Cushion. I tested this thing out for the entire day. And Kayak Cushion came through for me. One of the fun things about having the Titan 12, besides it being a big stable kayak, is chair's not very much forgiving. It's got this nice little fabric that can support your weight, but for long durations, long hours, it takes a long time for you to get used to. And for me, I mean, hey, Kayak Cushion took care of my butt, literally.